We train a lot of mums at all different ages and, kids that are grown up. But a common thing that we hear, especially when people start, is, or people might think it's funny to make jokes about wetting themselves or their pelvic floor. It is something that we're really passionate about here, but it is not okay to wet yourself while you're working out. It is not something that you should accept.
When we say it's not okay, we mean like you don't need to accept
you don't need to
think that that's how it's going to be for the rest of your life. It's fixable.
Totally.
Don't do movements that make you leak. Tell your
trainer. So I had someone a few years ago come and tell me that they were exercising and they must have expressed their concern to their trainer about wetting, feeling that they were going to wet themselves, and she just told her to wear a pad.
That's not good enough.
It's not a long-term solution. And also, the more that we keep ignoring it, you're only just causing more damage. Leakage is not okay. It is something that can be, it's not something that should be accepted. It can be fixed regardless of your age. And we really recommend that if you are working out and you do jump or, and you leak when doing them, you really need to stop what you're doing and strip it back, because, there's so many things you can do to fix it. And it's definitely not something that should be ignored.
Definitely not.
No. So if you are leaking while you're working out, speak to your trainer. Don't continue what you're doing. Don't stop moving.
No.
But let's learn to move in a safer way and really build that strength up. And the thing is, when you do that stuff, you actually become stronger than what you were before, because generally if you're leaking, you notice people kind of not move as well because they're concerned about it.
Yeah.
Or they'll take that aspect out. But the thing is, once you fix it up, then
you've got a really good foundation for then going on to incorporate that high impact stuff if that's what you want.